Once in a sunny town, there was a dog named Rocky. Rocky was a playful golden dog with big bright eyes. He loved to run and play, but more than anything, he loved samosas. Every afternoon, Rocky would sit outside his home, watching the people pass by. He could smell the delicious scent of samosas coming from a nearby shop. The shop was called Samosa Delight. One day, Rocky saw his owner, Ravi, come out of the shop with a big bag. "I got samosas," Ravi said, holding the bag high. Rocky's tail wagged with excitement. He loved samosas so much. Ravi sat down on the porch and opened the bag. The warm samosas looked golden and crispy. Rocky jumped up and down barking happily. "Can I have one please?" he seemed to say with his big eyes. Ravi laughed and said, "Okay, Rocky. You can have a little piece." He broke a samosa and gave it to Rocky. The dog took it gently and munched on it. The flavor was amazing. From that day on, Rocky had a new mission. He wanted to find samosas everywhere. He decided to visit Samosa Delight every day. Each time he would wait for Ravi to buy samosas, hoping for a tasty piece. One day, while walking with Ravi, Rocky noticed a big crowd outside Samosa Delight. People were laughing and having fun. He ran over to see what was happening. To his surprise, it was a samosa eating contest. People were trying to eat as many samosas as they could. Ravi had a clever idea. What if Rocky joins the contest, he thought. He loves samosas more than anyone. Ravi signed Rocky up for the contest. Rocky barked happily, excited to eat samosas in front of everyone. The contest began, and people cheered. Rocky was ready. When the whistle blew, Rocky started eating samosas as fast as he could. The crowd laughed and cheered, "Go Rocky, go." They loved watching the samosa-loving dog. With each samosa, Rocky felt happier and more energized. He was having the time of his life. The other contestants were surprised to see a dog eating so many samosas. Finally, the contest ended, and everyone waited to see who won. Mr. Gupta, the owner of the shop, announced, "The winner is Rocky the dog. He ate the most samosas." The crowd erupted in cheers. Ravi clapped his hands and shouted, "Good job, Rocky." Mr. Gupta took a large samosa, cut it into small pieces, and threw them into the air. Rocky jumped and caught them one by one. After the contest, Mr. Gupta said, "Rocky, you are our samosa hero. You can come back for free samosas anytime." Rocky wagged his tail and barked happily. From then on, Rocky became famous in the town as the samosa-loving dog. He enjoyed his daily treats and made many friends along the way.